How to send large audio files on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send large audio files on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there is a limit on how much you can send on WhatsApp. So if you have a really large audio file, what you can do is you can actually just upload that file on your Google Drive. Just open up your Google Drive and log in into your Google account. Then head over to Files section. You can create a new folder if you want to. I'll just name this audio. And after you do that, you can just upload the audio file in your audio folder, and then you can simply send it over WhatsApp. So just tap on upload file, choose your browse, and you can just head over to Files section to insert or upload the large audio file. So do that. So as the file starts uploading, you can then share it. So you can share the entire file. If you have multiple files, you can just share the entire folder. You can tap on three dots right here and then tap on share, and then you can simply send it via Google link, or you can just copy the link for this. You can tap on copy link and then you can share it. Now first you will also need to change the access, so tap on manage access, and here you can just tap on restricted, tap on it again and choose anyone with the link. So after you do that, you can then even change the privilege here, such as viewers, commenters and editors. So choose whichever you want to give the access, and after doing that, after you've copied the link, you can head over to your WhatsApp and then paste the link. After you do that, no matter how large your audio file is, you will be able to send it via WhatsApp. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.